Hi, hello everyone. I'm Chingka Kalai. I'm currently working in the Department of Civil Engineering, IT Madras, and this work I'm presenting as a collaboration from my colleagues from IIT Roorkee, Professor N.K. Goel. So the topic of my today's presentation is an approach to detect change in the variability of hydroclimatic records in the wettest state, Meghalaya. Now, we all know that climate change can have a significant influence on our lives. Several studies have uh, reported changes in the climate change based on the analyzing the trend in the magnitude of the hydroclimatic data. However, there are very limited paper which look at trend in the variability. So the objective of the whole method is to propose an overall systematic approach, to also compare that with the existing Vinikob and Roboc method, and to compare the results from both of them. Now, the method for Vinikob and Roboc is already being proposed, which is uh, we take the residuals by considering expected value and remove by computing the residuals. After the residuals is computed, we take the square of that and take the root of that and apply a man-Kendall test on that. We have also proposed a new method where we try to subtract the higher values from the lower values based on the concept of L moment. However, since here is a dependency of time, we take the later value followed by the previous values, the absolute value of that, and the series that we get, the man-Kendall test is being then applied. We apply this whole proposed methodology to Meghalaya because it is the wettest place in the world, and we want to see if the variability is changing over time, because if the variability is changing over here, it means a significant thing to the world. Now we apply the ordinary man-Kendall test to the annual maximum series, and we see that there is a significant trend. We also do a transformation, and we see that the variability is very significant, marked by dark green and dark red. So these are for mean and the max. When we apply now, surprisingly for the temperature, we see that there is no trend in the variability for the temperature, which we can also say by eye inspection from these two figures. The trend in the variability is significant for rainfall, however, it's not for the temperature. So this means that the flooding is occurring and the drought is occurring, both the extremes. The rainfall is swinging between the high rainfall and the flood, causing high rainfall, and the drought causing flooding and drought simultaneously. Thank you.